Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to disconnect the old lighting system and how to reconnect the lights in the 76836 Eagle Box on a 2009.5 to 2012.5 Hot Spring Orca Retrofit. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: needle nose pliers and labels or masking tape. Parts you will need: 76836 Eagle control box. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Identify each light connector and label each one according to its zone. Step 3. Disconnect the red light connector from the I2C interface port. Step 4. Disconnect the lighting power supply from the APM on the motherboard. Step 5. Disconnect the spa lights from the light controller. Step 6. Throw the light controller and power supply in the trash. (76836 Eagle Box lighting). Step 7. After installing the 76836 Eagle Box, use the light adapters to plug the lights directly into the motherboard. Plug the male adapter into the female light connector. Be sure the arrows on the adapter and light connector are aligned with each other. Step 8. Plug the light adapter into the corresponding zone on the motherboard. Zone 1 is the main spotlight, Zone 2 is the water feature light, Zone 3 is the bar top lights, and Zone 4 is the pillow lights. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.